Hi guys, welcome back, and today we are going to talk about the Plum Rice Water and 2% Niacinamide Moisturizer. Last time I talked about the toner and you guys loved it, so here I am with the moisturizer. So first let's start with basic specifications. So you will get around 50 gram product for rupees 525, which is insane of course. Okay, let's say it's good, but this is expensive. So one suggestion, get it on their buy one get one sale and then it will be a good deal. As for the key ingredients, this has rice water and 2% niacinamide, which is known to reduce blemishes and give you the glow. Also, I love the fact that it has 2% niacinamide, which is effective but not too exaggerating. Most of the brands these days are using very high concentration of active ingredients, which I feel is not good. Active ingredients are supposed to treat your concerns. That doesn't mean you need the highest possible concentration in all your skincare products. So I love that they have 2% niacinamide. I can pair it with other product. I can layer it up, so it's a good thing I feel. As for the claims, they say that it fades blemishes, regulates sebum overproduction, also it minimizes your pores and adds brightness and glow. So before we spill the bean, I would love to talk about its ingredients. Also, I love the fact that apart from rice water and niacinamide, they have added pear extract and squalane, which are very hydrating and they actually give you the glow. Ingredient wise, I would say this is pretty mild and safe, but it would be better if they get rid of the dimethicone. I personally think that it shouldn't be added. Now let's reveal how effective it is and how many of their claims are actually true. So as for the blemishes thing, see, reduction of your blemishes is a natural process, and as it has rice water and niacinamide, it speeds the process up. And yes, if you use it for almost 3 weeks, you will see a good result. As for the sebum control thing, yes, it does that, but I don't know how effective it will be in summer because I have used it in winter when my skin is kind of combination type, not too oily, so I won't say a lot about this. Now about the pore minimization thing, it doesn't actually. They claim the same for their toner, that also doesn't work for pore minimization, which is like fine because the fourth claim, it does the job guys. Now the fourth claim is about giving you glow and increasing brightness, and yes, it does that. Now here's something I would like to say. It has a gel-like consistency, but when you apply it on your skin, it feels like water. You just apply it on your skin, it gets absorbed within seconds and your skin will literally drink it. It will get vanished into the thin air. You won't even feel anything after application, and what it leaves is intense hydration. Yes, this is very hydrating and it gives you the glow. Just look, this is my skin before applying this and this is my skin after applying this. Now the conclusion, if you want a moisturizer that reduces blemishes, hydrates your skin, increases the brightness and has a very nice texture, gets absorbed quickly, leaves nothing behind. If you have a oily skin, especially oily to combination skin, and you love that glowy glassy finish, this is something you need to try. But the price is little high. If I compare it with the Dr. Sheth's vitamin C and ceramide moisturizer, they kind of give you the same effect, same glow, same benefits, but that one is comparatively affordable. But I personally love this one too because this is lighter than the Dr. Sheth's moisturizer. So yeah, if you want a little lighter option, you can go for it, but only buy it on their buy one get one sale. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. I hope this video was helpful. So I'll see you soon in my next videos. Till then, annyeong!